days when ships first came. They came for spice, they came for fame, trading posts by the ocean side. But soon they ruled with the crown of pride. Years rolled on, the chains grew tight, but hearts still burned for what was right. From village paths to city street, the call for freedom found its beat. Oh India, rise with the morning sun. Your journey's long, but the fight's been won. From Dandi shore to quit India's cry, we held our heads and touched the sky. Gandhi walked with truth in hand. No sword, no gun, just peaceful stand. So from the sea, a flag held high, a message clear: we won't comply. Bose marched on with soldiers brave, Bhagat Singh's voice beyond the grave. Kumaran's flag stained in the fight, Bharathiyar's words a burning light. Oh India, rise with the morning sun. Your journey's long, but the fight's been won. From Dandi shore to quit India's cry, we held our heads and touched the sky. Through prison walls and battle scars, through songs beneath the midnight stars, through farmers, poets, leaders all, we answered freedom's sacred call. Oh India, rise with the morning sun. The chains are gone, the new day's begun. From 1947's cheers so high, we claimed our place beneath the sky. Now every August 15th day, we raise our flags and proudly say, to those who fought, to those who dreamed, you gave